Hello everyone, this is Moondan Rakaman, and this video we are going to see the bar chart, pie chart and line charts, and we are going to see how to create these basic charts using the Excel sheet, and also we will understand when do we use the bar chart, when do we use the pie chart, or when do we use the line charts. Let's get into the video. Let's try to understand the first one, bar charts. Bar charts will be used when you want to represent the categorical data with rectangular bars. For example, it will be to compare different categories, especially the discrete data type. Imagine you have the sample data here, and here the data is about a revenue in the different months of the company. And select all the data, click on insert, and here you can see the bar chart. For example, if you have more number of rows, you may go for the horizontal bar chart. Again, click on insert, click on bar chart. Here you may find the horizontal bar charts. Even you can go for horizontal or vertical bar chart based on the number of rows you have. Now coming to the pie chart is something like you want to see the proportion of the whole. Let's imagine you have the expense of the entire month or entire year. You want to see which category takes how much proportion in the overall. So in that case, you will be going for the pie chart or donut chart. Select everything. Again, insert, and here you can see the pie chart. Click on the pie chart. Again, you will have the different formatting types in the Excel sheet. You can try for that, or even you can go for the donut pie type. In both categories, you will be seeing the whole proportion has 100%, and each category will take some point of that or some percentage of that. Then you will be seeing as a pie chart. Now let's go to the line chart. So when do you go for the line chart or line graphs? You want to see the trend over the time, especially for the continuous variables. For example, you might see for the temperature or stock price or number of visitors visiting your YouTube channel. But in all this example that I mentioned, you'll be seeing the changes or trends over time. Time could be minutes, seconds, hours, months, years, weeks, but it will be over time. And generally, you will be seeing this line graphs to see the trend or growth or decline. Imagine this is the sample data where within a day or within a week, you will be having the number of visitors. You want to see how the trend is going on your visitors. Select all the data, insert, and here you can click on the line graph. Here you can see the trend is going in a growth. Again, based on the formatting you want, you can choose the different formatting type from the Excel sheet. So in simple, we have seen bar charts can be created when you want to represent the categorical data and you want to compare the different categories. And based on the rows, you may go for the horizontal chart or vertical chart. When you want to see the different proportions of the overall, then you will be going for the pie chart or donut chart. When you want to see the continuous variable, how it is changing over time, then you will be going for the line graphs. So in this video, we have seen bar chart, pie chart, and line chart. And this is all about this video. And always be a rainbow in others' cloud.